Hello, children. Good morning. Hope you are staying safe at home. So, see, children, today we are going to start science lesson number 6, keeping safe. Keeping safe. So, open your textbooks, page number 221. 221. See, children, here let us see the warm-up table. If you have hurt yourself, whom should you visit? Whom should you visit? Hmm? Here, this is a black dress and this is a white coat and stethoscope. She is a air hostess, and here by saying the dress code only we can say doctor. Okay, so if you have hurt yourself, that means if you get injured by a road accident, anything. Okay, whom should you visit? Doctor. Take the correct answer means whom you will visit? Doctor. Which of the following appears safe? See here, children. Here, without using any zebra crossing, he used to cross the road. Here, using zebra crossing, he is crossing the road. Which one is correct? So, this one, isn't it? So, these are the safety rules. Let us see understanding the meaning of safety. What is the meaning of safety? What is meaning of safety, children? Safety means keeping away from harmful situations. Keeping away from harmful situations, risk or danger. We need to be careful with our surroundings so that we not only keep ourselves safe but also help others remain safe. So, safety means keeping away from harmful situations, risk or danger. So, let us study about keeping safe at home. Let us study how can we keep ourselves safe from any illness or accident. So there will be the safety rules. If you follow that safety rules, we can avoid those illness and accidents also. See here, children. You are seeing the picture here. Safety at home. Can you give us what are the safety rules? Can you give the ideas to be followed? Safety rules to be followed at home. Now we are staying at home only due to what? Due to coronavirus, we are staying at home. So at home also we need to keep safe ourselves. How we should be careful at home? How we should be careful at home? Are you seeing this picture carefully? See here what she is doing. She is picking up sharp objects like knives, mm, hammer, big knives, scissors are there. So that picture indicates is it a danger or not. So small kids should not touch sharp objects, isn't it? So our kitchen has various sharp objects such as knife, fork, scissors. Okay, we should not play with any of these as we might hurt ourselves only, isn't it? And see here, next picture, I will show you. See, is it safe, Nana? Is it safe? What he is doing? He's keeping the plugs. With the plug, the fingers also going inside. Is it safe? So there are many things at home such as switches, plugs and electric appliances. We should not touch them with wet hands or bare feet. Okay, see here. They don't know what that is, but they used to keep in mouth. See, he's keeping in mouth. Is it danger or not? So we should not touch switches, plugs and electric appliances. Understood? That is also keeping safe at home only. And first one, we should not touch any electrical appliances such as switch plugs, and we should not keep that one in the mouth. Okay, as you are a kid, it is dangerous to us only. Next, what is the next keeping safe at home? You should not touch various sharp objects which are present in the kitchen, such as knife, fork, scissors, and we should not play with any of these because it may hurt ourselves. We might hurt ourselves, isn't it? Next, what are the next safety at home? Hmm? Are you seeing children in kitchen? We will Mom will do the cooking. So while cooking, see here what he is doing. Hmm? What he is doing? So keep away from fire. We should not touch matchsticks, lighters, gas burners. This can be danger. We should use them only with the help of elders. We should use them only with the help of elders. Okay, children. Next, we should never take medicines with a doctor advice. So we should never take medicines without a doctor's advice. So if doctor says you should take medicine, then only you should take medicines. Otherwise, we should not take medicines on our own. Anything, if you get fever or anything, we should not touch the medicines. Our grandmother and grandfather used to take medicines. They forget by keeping on the table. But what kids will understand if their color is like chocolate color, they will assume that it is a chocolate and they will eat that one. What happens then? It is dangerous or not? So we should not eat medicines without any doctor's advice. Next, are you seeing here? So do not play with electrical gadgets. You may get a shock. Next, see here, do not keep your toys on the floor. You may fall. Okay, we must not leave our toys, books, or any other items on the floor. Anyone can trip and get injured. Okay, trip means what? Fall due to catching one's foot on something. By putting foot on that, we may fall. That gets injured or not. So we should not keep toys or books or anything on the floor. Okay. Next, we must be careful while walking on wet floor. We might slip and get hurt. By coming, if you have a bath and after coming out of that washroom, we will be wet, no? So you should not run. You should walk slowly with that wet feet. Understood? We might slip and get hurt. And now Diwali is coming in next Sunday. Say no to crackers. Okay, say no to crackers because you are good children. We should not go to the crackers. Okay, children. These are the safety rules to be followed at home. Keeping safe at home. Okay, keeping safe at home. Next, shall we see keeping safe at school? How to keep kids safe at school? You have any idea safety rules to be followed at school? Tell me few ideas. Hmm? So some people are transport, no? In our school also transport students will be there. So what should they do? We should not try to get into or get off a moving bus, isn't it? While bus is moving, we should not get into the bus and while or else we should not get off from the bus, moving bus. That tips to be followed if you are a transport student, isn't it? And we must walk in a line, never push or hit anyone. While going to prayer, also, how we will go? Walk in a line, will say or not? Teacher will say that walk in a line, walk in a line. Never push or hit anyone. Isn't it, children? Hmm? Next, tell me next some safety rules. Hmm? Can you use still some safety rules to be followed at school? Hmm? See here. So we should walk in a line. Okay. Next, we must not jump on or run around benches. We might get hurt. Okay, we might get hurt. We should not run around or jump on the benches. So in school, if teacher is not there in classroom, what you will do? If you want to meet your friend, you will jump onto the benches and you will meet. But that is not a good habit, isn't it? We must not jump and run around benches. We might get hurt. And we must not slide down the banister. Banister means while you are climbing the steps, by holding something, we will climb the steps or not. We'll walk on the steps. That is called banister. On that banister, also, some children will slide down. That we may fall. It is dangerous. And we should not run or up down the stairs. Understood? We should not run or up down the stairs. because we may, if we fall, we will get hurted or not. See here. So we should not run up or down the stairs. Next, while chewing the food also, we should chew our food properly during the lunch break. We must not eat food in a hurry. We will get a stomach pain. So we should chew our food properly during the lunch break. We should not eat food in a hurry. These are the safety rules to be followed at school. Tomorrow, next we will see some safety rules at parks and playgrounds, some safety rules on the road also. Okay, children, thank you.